Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to simplify the fraction 18/90ths to its lowest terms. Let's look at the fraction 18/90ths. To simplify it, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction without leaving a remainder. For 18 and 90, that's 18. We start by dividing 18 by 18, which gives us 1. Then we divide 90 by 18, which results in 5. So, simplifying 18/90ths, we end up with 1/5, which is the fraction in its simplest form and cannot be reduced any further. It's interesting to note that both the original fraction 18/90ths and the simplified fraction 1/5 have the same decimal value, which is 0.2. This shows that although their appearance may change, their value remains consistent. So, there you have it. The fraction 18/90ths simplified to its simplest form is 1/5, and in decimal form, it's 0.2. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.